So good morning to all of you, and I'm giving you 2 minutes time. All of you run to get your color box. Your color box, your copy and pencil, very nice, pencil eraser. Okay, any one copy, color box, pencil and eraser. And today we are going to play color game. So everyone is ready to play color game? Shushoban, come on, get ready with your color box. Color game, come on. So ready. Now, what are the rules of the game? So let us understand the rules of the game. The rule of the game is, I will give you one color, okay? I am going to name one color and you have to immediately, within 2 minutes, you will be getting only 2 minutes time. Within 2 minutes, you have to draw anything which is of that color. It should be anything natural, okay? Natural thing which is of that particular color, and you have to write the name of that thing also. Then after, click the image, send it in the chat box. And for every round, there will be 2 points. Ready? 2 points for every round. If you are completing it within 2 minutes. So, everyone is ready or not? First you confirm me. Everyone is ready or not? Ready? Okay. For example, okay, everyone is ready. So, for example, I am giving one example to you. If I say white color, okay. So, immediately, what is of white color? It can be swan, it can be moon. So, you can draw any one picture. You will color it with white. You will write the name moon and you will click the picture and send it to me in the chat box. Okay? This way. So, let's start the game. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, everyone is ready. So, the first color is yellow. Draw something of yellow color, color it, and it should be, there is 1 point for neatness, okay? 1 point for neatness. So, it should be on one particular page, and I will give one last point for neatness. So, first one is yellow color. So, within 2 minutes, let me see who can draw it, color it, write it and send it to me. I am waiting. Who is the first 3? Who are the first 3 students to get 2 points? Who are the first 3 students to get 2 points? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Fast, 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 fast. Time is running out. Yellow color. Anything of yellow color which you can remember or you can see around in your house. Okay, so I got the first one from Ayushman. Okay, Ayushman, 2 points. Excellent, excellent. Ayushman is the first one to get 2 points. Who is the next one? Let's see. Who is the next one? Yes. So the first one I got banana and the next one is Arjo Chatterjee and it is sun. Excellent. Excellent. Second, Arjo, 2 points. And third, Ayan, again banana. Okay, 2 points. So these are the first 3 students to send me. Come on, come on, come on. Rest of the students who are sending. Okay, Inakshi has sent. Very good, Inakshi. And Shugato is showing me. Very good, Shugato. Very good. Excellent. 2 points. Trishita, 2 points. Trishita, 2 points. Inakshi, 2 points. So, yes, again, here comes Jasim, 2 points. Anyone more? Anyone more? Fast, fast, fast. Orgo, fast. Come on, beta. Afrin, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Your friends have scored 2 points. Yes, here comes Orgo, 2 points. And Mango. Wow, Shushoban. It's Mango. I love it. So, 2 points. Lovely. So, very good. Parinita, 2 points. Okay, Parinita has drawn a mango also. My favorite fruit. Very nice. Okay, and again, Ritika has sent 1 banana. So many fruits I am having today. Mango, banana. Wow, I'm going to eat it today. Okay. So, all my students scores 2 points. Now, get ready. Second round. And the second round, your color is brown. Your color is brown. Start. Brown. Come on, come on, come on. Shushaban, think about it. Brown, brown, come on. Afrin, come on, I cannot see you, beta. Come on, come on, come on. Very good. So let's see who is the first one now to send something of brown color and going to score next 2 points, and he will be or she will be getting first 3. First 3 student will score 4 points. So let's see who are the lucky students to get first 4 points. 2 plus 2, 4. Come on, come on. Let's see. Something of brown color. My champions are very intelligent, I know. Wow, I am getting Parinita. Parinita, please send it in the chat box. Very nice. I can see it's a nut. It's a winter season and you have drawn nut. Excellent, Parinita. Excellent. 2 points. 2 points. So Parinita is the first one. Maybe she is having some problems, so she cannot send it in the chat box. But Parinita has shown me first in the camera. So Parinita, 2 points. Ayushman, very nice. 2 points. Ayushman, I just want to tell you one thing, beta. That is log, obviously. But after cutting the tree, if the piece is there, it is log. Okay. But when the tree is living, it's trunk. It's trunk. Okay? Very nice. So, absolutely right. Trunk is of brown color. And here, cookies. Wow. Jasim. Lovely. That means you are having lots of fast food. Cookies are very nice. And here comes brown. Okay, Shugato. Trunk. Beta, you have written the name. Name just, I cannot see the name of this picture. Yes, tree. The total is tree, but which part is brown, beta? Indicate the brown color part. It is trunk. Shugato, it is trunk. Now I am getting Orijit. Okay, log. Very good, Orijit. It's log. Okay, wood. Okay, very good, Ritika. It's boat. Very nice, Ayan. Boat. Oh, so sweet. Arjo, it's monkey. Wow, you love it. Okay, and Orgo has drawn such a beautiful peanut. So nice. And Trishita has also, yes, Trishita, very nice. It's nut. Okay, very good. Yes, yes. It's trunk, beta. It's trunk. Shugato, trunk. Okay, when the tree is being cut and the piece of that huge trunk has been kept aside, that is called log. যখন গাছটা কেটে ফেলা হয় তখন এটা লগ হয়ে যায়, আর যখন গাছটা জীবিত থাকে ইট ইজ ট্রাঙ্ক। ছোট গাছেদের গোড়াগুলোকে স্টেম বলা হয়, বড়দেরকে ট্রাঙ্ক বলা হয়। ইজ ইট ক্লিয়ার সুগতা? ওকে, ভেরি নাইস বেটা, ভেরি নাইস। চলো, so here I can see Afrin has drawn. Very nice, Afrin. So all my students have scored 4 points. 4 points. Very good. So let's go for the third round. Ready to go for the third round? Yes. Everyone is ready. Wow, it's coconut. Inakshi, so lovely. It's coconut. Wow, so creative you are all. So let's go for the next round, and it's the third round. And the third round, the color is. Shall I tell the color? Shushoban, I am not getting your drawing. Shushoban, come on, draw it, color it, and send it to me. Fast, fast, fast. So, the Drupad, open your eyes. It's early. Now it's a lovely morning. Come on, draw, do the activity. Now, number 3, the third round color is something you can see around you of green color. Come on. Green color. Anything which you can remember of green color. Come on. Remember it. Fast, 2 minutes time. 2 minutes. Here I can see Afreen has sent me sunflower of yellow color. Wow, Afreen, it's very nice, beta. Come on, 4 points to all the students. Now let me see who are going to score 6 points. Again, +2. Let's see. It's of green color things. So, you have to draw it, you have to color it, you have to name it, and you have to send it to me. Okay, so Parinita again, and at the same time, Orijit has sent me and Parinita is showing me. So let's see. Yes, Parinita, I can see. Very nice. And here, Orijit has sent me. Okay, so both of you, 6 points. 6 points, Parinita and Orijit, 6 points. Excellent, Parinita, excellent, Orijit. And here, Ritika. Wow, Ritika, it's lovely. 6 points, beta. Come on. Welcome, Parinita. Okay, so next comes Shushobhan. Here is my Shushobhan. And here is his leaf. So lovely. 6 points. And here I can see Shugato is showing me his leaf. Shugato, lovely. 6 points. Come on. Okay. And here is, who is this? Ayushman. Ayushman has drawn a cabbage. Wow, Ayushman. Lovely idea. Winter season and there is cabbage. Wow. And Inakshi has drawn the upper part of the tree. Inakshi, but you have not labeled it, beta. You have to label it. Lower part is the trunk and upper part is the leaves. Okay. So you have to write down. Okay. Come on. So everyone. Yes. Very good, beta. I can see Shushobhan. I can see Afreen. I can see Inakshi. Okay. So grass. Yes. Orgo has sent me. Orgo has sent me grass. Lovely, Orgo. So many things again. Leaves, grass. Then after, what I saw? Cabbage. Wow. So many ideas. Banana leaf. It's Arju Chatterjee. Banana leaf. Excellent. 2 points. Okay. So, each and every student has sent such lovely drawings. Very good. So, everyone now scored 6 points, right? So, 2 points plus 2 points plus 2 points. That means 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6 points. Now, do you want to score 8 points? How many of you want to score 8 points? Raise your hand. Come on. How many of you want to score 8 points? Wow. Shugato has raised his hand. Inakshi also. Shushoban also. Okay. Everyone wants to score 8 points. So, let's start. Your next color is. Very good, Jasim. Come on. Your next color is. Shall I tell you? Black color. Come on. Start. Black color. 2 minutes time. Come on. Fast. 2 minutes time. Black color. is going to score again 2 points? Let's see. Come on, fast. 2 minutes time. Black color. Anything which is around you. Look at yourself. Inakshi, don't wander here and there. Look at yourself. Come on. Let's see who can draw first, color it first and send it to me. You have to label it along with it. So let's see. Yes. Come on. 2 minutes are running out. Come on. Fast. Black color. Drupad, I am not getting yours. Drupad? Come on, where is your picture? Still your points are 0. Drupad Bhagat, come on, send your picture. Okay, so here comes wheel from Shugato first. Shugato first. Parinita, hair, very good. And first, come on. Okay, so what is this? This is a picture of a ready thing. So, Shomrik Roy Chaudhary, please draw it, color it and send it to me. This was not the rule of the game. You cannot send me the picture of any ready thing. You have to draw it, color it, write the name of the thing and then after you have to send it. Come on. Don't break the rule of the games, beta. You can show me in the camera if you are having any digital problem to send it to me in the chat box. But you cannot send me any image of any of the picture thing. Draw it, beta. This is activity work. Wow, coal. Afreen has drawn coal. Very good. Boot. Very nice. Arju, good idea. Oh, that's very nice, Ayushman. This crow has been done by you. It's a quite good crow. But this crow is suffering from little bit obesity. It's fat. Right? It's lovely. 2 points. Come on. Now Shushoban. Shushoban has drawn a black boat. Shushoban. Why black boat, beta? Huh? Shushoban. ব্ল্যাক কালারের কাঠ দিয়ে তৈরি হচ্ছিল বোর্ডটা তুমি আমার সামনে থাকলে না আমি কানটা মুলে দিতাম একদম করে এইরকম করে মুলে দিতাম ব্রাউন কালারের হয় না কমন ডু ইট সামথিং কমন ব্ল্যাক ক্যানট বি এ বোর্ড ইউ জাস্ট লুক অ্যাট ইয়োরসেলফ নিচের দিকে তাকাও কি ব্ল্যাক আছে তোমার দেখো কমন লুক অ্যাট ইয়োরসেলফ অ্যান্ড সো মেনি থিংস ভেরি গুড অর্ঘ্য ব্ল্যাক কালার হেয়ার. And it's iron fence. Who is this? Orijit. Wow, good idea. It's iron fence. Okay. So rod. Okay, Jasim, you are having a black rod. Blackboard. Yes, very good, Inakshi. Good drawing. So everyone has done and Shushoban is trying to. Shushoban, but time is up. So please complete it and send it to me, but time is up, beta. And those who have sent me on time, they are scoring +2. And now your points are 8. 8 points. Very good, Shugato. So 8 points, Shugato, 8 points to all the students who have sent me on time. And exactly with hand drawing, you have colored it and you have written the name of the object. So those are the students. Shomrik, then after I didn't get your reply, beta. I hope you are drawing it. Okay? Come on. So, let's go. Wow, very nice, Afreen. Good. So, let's go for the next color. And your next color, that means now you are going to score 10 points. Again, +2. 10 points, okay? So, your next color is orange. Orange. Come on, let's see. 2 points. Anything of orange color. Anything of orange color. Done? Done. Come on. Fast. Within 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes. Come on, fast. Who is the one to show me the first and score 10 points? Yes, I got the first one, that is Ayan. And Ayan, lovely. I just want to peel this orange and have it. It's lovely. Outstanding. 2 points. Okay, who is this? Whose work I have not seen? Oh, Trishita, I'm very sorry, beta. So sad. It's lovely drawing. Lovely. But Trishita, please indicate according to the color. Okay? You just label it according to the color. And I am very sorry that I have not seen it, but it was not intentional, beta. It was not at all intentional. Maybe in between lots of pictures, I have just skipped it. Okay? It's lovely. Please label it. And Arijit has sent it carrot. Afreen, carrot. Very nice. And here comes, yes, Trishita, I can see your copy. It's very nice. And here, Abhi, Ayushman also, carrot. What is this, Drupad? I didn't ask you for anyone's picture. Who is this, your father or your uncle? Who? Please show me the activity work. Okay, carrot, come on. Orange dress. Okay, I want natural things. Arjo, I want natural things. Okay, so here is Parinita, here is Shugato, here is Inakshi, here is Afreen and Shushoban. Chalo beta, make it fast. And each one has scored 2 points. So total 10 points, right? Happy? Total 10 points. Now, next color. Next color will be pink color. Come on, all of you. Pink color. Now, who is going to draw it, color it, label it and send it to me fast within 2 minutes? Come on, fast. Make it fast. Come on. We don't have any time. Time is running out. Shugato, fast. Chalo. So, come on. Now it will be 12 points. 12 points. Chalo, Shushoban. Come on, beta. Show me your copy. Shushoban, please show me your copy. Shushoban, show me your copy in the camera. Okay, beta. Now it is perfect. Come on, 10 points. Now we are going for 12 points. Come on. Pink color. Come on. Yes, come on. And here is the first one already sent by Trishita. And Trishita has sent one. Beta, Trishita, this is purple color, Batu. It's purple color, not pink color. Please send something which is natural and is of pink color. Okay. So, here comes Arjo first. Arjo is the first one to score 12 points. Excellent, Arjo. Anyone more? Fast. Arjo has scored 12 points. Congratulations, Arjo. And here is the second one. Jasim, congratulations. And Ritika, third. Congratulations, Ritika. 12 points. And Ayan has also sent 2 points extra. 12 points. Ayushman, 2 points. 12 points total. Arijit, 12 points. And Orgho Mondol. Orgho, it's lovely, but it is looking like lotus and you have written rose. So please, lotus is pink color, but the picture is of lotus and your name is rose. So what can I do? Come on, erase that rose and write it lotus, okay? Because you have named wrong. So Orgho, I cannot give you 2 points. Okay, Shushobhan, very good, 2 points. And pink color tulip. What is this? Rose. Okay, very nice. This is little bit at least looking rose, but it's exactly looking like tulip. Okay, here also. And pink color frock. Afreen, I told you something natural thing, beta. Something natural, okay. And Parinita, don't leak your notebook, beta. Keep your mouth closed because you should not keep anything in your mouth except your food at this period, beta. So yes, it's looking good. Socks, good. Pink color socks. But I want natural things. Okay. So I got lots of things of pink color. Very nice. Now this is the last round, and all of you, those who have sent the images of pink color, you have scored 12 points. Okay, very good, Shugato. 12 points. Now let us go for the last round. Okay, so your last round is, shall I tell them? Ready? Ready? Okay, so your last round. Your last round. কি দেব? You're champions. যা দেব তাই পেরে যাচ্ছ। Let me give something very hard, okay? Very hard. Very, 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 very hard. Okay. So, your hard color is... So, such a good smile there is. And now you are going to score 14 points. Come on. Let's see who is the first one. Who is the first one to score 2 points? Come on, fast, fast, fast. Come on, Shushoban. So hard color, see? Hard color. So Shushoban is trying to make it easy. Shushoban, come on, fast. Shugoto is trying hard and he has already, I think, drawn it and he is coloring it. Even Inakshi, even Parinita. Come on, fast, fast. I can see these students. Okay, come on. Trishita is also there. Okay. So Trishita has already shown me the first one to get 14 points, and Trishita, it's blood. Good, very good. And here comes Arju, tomato. Very good. So red color blood, red color tomato, red color. It is Ayan is tomato and Arju is cherries. Very good. Again, I got from Jasim tomato. Parinita is showing me tomato. Shugato is showing me apple. Parinita, it's apple, right? I cannot see it. What's the name, beta? Apple or tomato? Just spell it, pronounce it. Apple or tomato? What you have drawn, Parinita? Okay, it's apple. Okay, very nice. I can read your lips. Okay, Shugato has drawn apple. Very nice. And here I have received lots of Jasim apple. Okay, Ritika, it's hibiscus. Outstanding, Ritika. Something new I have seen in the list. Afreen apple. And here I am getting Orijit. It's rose. Lovely rose of red color. Yes. And chili. Wow, it's Ayushman's red chili. Right? As Ayushman is spicy, Ayushman has sent me a red chili. Wow, it's very nice. Inakshi Nandini, okay, Nandi has sent me apple. Yes, Shomrik, I want the picture, not the name. Okay, chili. And here Orgho, chili spelling is wrong little bit. Please rectify it. Shushobhan, very good. So all those who have sent me the pictures along with the color and name, and those who have shown me in the camera, all scored 14 points. Okay. Now, only 1 point to win. So some of the students are going to get 1 point, that is 15 point for neatness. Okay, how neatly you have done your activity. So let's see. I'm going to go back in the chat box and I'm going to see who has sent all the things perfectly and neatly. So wait for your 1 points. Let's see who is going to be the winner. Who has done the work very neatly? Standing. Really, you are so creative, all of you. So creative. That's why I tell you, all of my students are really champions. And the winner is, shall I announce it? And the winner is 15 points will be scored by each and every student, because every one of you have done so neatly. Really? So everyone are the winners. Okay, so 15 points. So congratulations to all of you. Okay, so did you enjoy the class today? Did you enjoy the class? Yes, it's really Arjo. It's really Afrin. Everyone are the winners. Everyone has scored 15 points. That's really outstanding. Outstanding. Each and everyone has done the work very neatly, on time. Everyone has tried to do it on time. Maybe some of them 1 or 2 seconds late, but it was on time. Yes, Ayushman, you all are champions. Really. Come on. Okay, so you enjoyed the class, right? So I will be back again with your science class after a few minutes. Till that time, take a break, go to washroom. Okay?